Bonjour et bienvenue à Skoolroom online. Aujourd'hui, je vais parler les nombres en français 1 à 20. Hello and welcome to Skoolroom online. Today I'm going to tell you about the numbers in French from 1 to 20. So let's get started. Let's learn the numbers from 1 to 10 first. Okay? Let's have a look here. Un means 1. Deux means 2. 3 is trois. 4 is quatre. 5 is cinq. 6 is pronounced as six. 7 sept. 8 huit. 9 neuf. 10 dix. Clear? Now let's try to pronounce them without the numbers in English. Okay, let's do only the French numbers. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Was I too fast? Let's do it once more to get a very good hang of this. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, and this. Right? Now let's try to repeat the numbers without looking at the board. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, and this. I hope it's clear now. Now let's move on to the next set of numbers, 11 to 20. Well, the numbers in French from 11 to 20 are a bit hard to remember. So just focus on the spelling, their pronunciation, and try to remember them. One effective way of remembering the numbers is when you are going anywhere and you spot any number, try to remember there that how it is pronounced in French. So that way it will be easier for you to get a grasp on numbers. Let's have a look here. 11 is onze, 12 is douze, 13 is treize, 14 is quatorze, 15 is quinze, 16 is seize, 17 is dix-sept, 18 dix-huit, 19 dix-neuf, 20 vingt. Okay, let's go through them once again. Onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-neuf, and vingt. Okay, now if you look carefully, you might notice that 17 in French is written as 10-7. 10-7. Similarly, 18 is written as 10-8. 19 as 10-9. Okay, so this way it would be easier for you to remember the numbers. Let's go through the numbers 11 to 20 once again. Onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-neuf, and vingt. Clear? Now let's do the numbers from 1 to 20 all together. Repeat after me. Répétez après moi. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1. Okay, so keep on practicing. Practice is the key. Wherever you spot the numbers on a car plate, or you're walking through a street, the number lane, wherever you get the numbers, you try and remember, how do I pronounce this number in French? And believe me, you will get a grasp of numbers very soon. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, share the video, comment on the video. Subscribe to our channel Skoolroom Online. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. We also have a WhatsApp group. The link to the group is given in the description box. See you next time.